Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a makeup look for you, and it's this very neutral, simple, everyday look, which is basically my everyday makeup routine, but I was inspired by Jordyn Woods in the Red Table Talk interview she did with Jada Pinkett. She looked very neutral, very pretty. If you guys have been on my channel for any amount of time, you know that I normally wear very neutral makeup, and so this is just going to use some colors and things that I've kind of seen in the video and on a picture that I will insert right here, where she just looks very flawless, very neutral, very pretty, glowy, and so this is just my take on that. So if you guys are interested, please keep watching.
Like Jordyn, we're going to start with our beautiful natural face, and we're going to go ahead and spray that with the Scandinavia Spray Primer, and we're going to spray that spray just like the Kardashians probably spray pheromones in the air to snatch men out of it. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Stay Matte Foundation in the color Mocha 360, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face, and just to give me a nice even finish. Next, I'm going to go in with a semi-dense brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that foundation into my skin further. Next, I'm going to put on the ColourPop Concealer in Deep Dark 52, and I just put that all around my eyes for highlighting. Next, I'm just taking that dense brush again, and I'm just going to pat in the concealer until it's nice and blended. Next, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana, and I am going to put that everywhere that I apply the concealer, and I'm applying that with a damp beauty blender. And I'm just going to apply that all over so that way I have a nice highlighted finish. So next, I'm just going to get a bit of a fluffier brush, and I'm just going to brush off some of that powder. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Mocha, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that over the rest of my face to set the rest of my foundation. So I went and I did my eyebrows off camera because I am trash at doing eyebrows. And so Jordyn had a very neutral eyebrow, as you can see in the photo and from the video. And I'm not sure if she had on eyeliner, but I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a very, very thin line for a place to have a base for my lashes. Jordyn's lashes were really wispy and soft, so I'm not sure if they're lashes or extensions, but I'm using these Siren ones from House of Lashes, and this is how they look on. So now I'm going to use Soap & Glory's A Great Kisser Lip Balm, and it's a peachy shade, and it looked like Jordyn had on like this peachy glossy lip. And so I'm just going to pat that all over my lips, and no pun intended by the balm name. Next, I'm going to go in with Oh My Gloss by Rimmel in the color Crystal Clear, and I'm just going to put that all over my lips for additional shine. Next, I'm going to use NARS blush in Exhibit A, which is this orangey shade, and it looked like she had on a little bit of like a peachy orange color on her cheeks, and so I'm just going to lightly apply that onto my cheeks to give me that nice flush look, very pretty. It also kind of adds to the glow of your skin for some reason. That's why I really like orangey colors. Next, I'm going old school and I'm using my Rockin' Republic eyeshadow in the color Carrot, which is white, but it goes on to this like very sheen gold kind of color. And in the video, it looked like she had highlight just right on the tip of her nose and at the very high point of her bridge. And so I'm going to replicate that by just putting highlight there. I'm not really sure if she had contour highlight anywhere else. Next, I'm going to set my face with this Morphe setting spray. I'm completely new to Morphe, so this is the first time I am using this spray.
Okay guys, so this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I don't have her exact same features or anything like that, but this is just kind of my interpretation of her look based on my everyday makeup routine. So I hope you guys enjoy. As always, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you happen to have any suggestions, leave those below and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!